Congratulations from everyone here at Huckabee Dental on starting your Invisalign case. My name is Emily, I'm a dental assistant here, and I'm going to give you some of my pro tips and tricks to help you have a successful and life-changing Invisalign. My very first rule is to always wear your trays a minimum of 22 hours a day. 1 hour out of your mouth is 4 hours lost. Every time you eat, I want you to take out your trays, brush and floss your teeth after you're done, and then pop those trays back in. We recommend about 30 minutes per meal, but it's a grand total of 22 hours a day. That is the most important number. My second rule is the tray should only ever be in two places, in your mouth or in the case that was provided in your welcome bag. If you put a case in a napkin or a cup while you're eating, it may accidentally get thrown away. If it does, don't panic. Go into your previous tray and give us a call and we'll order you that tray so you can continue on with your Invisalign treatment. My tip number 3 is to take Tylenol and not Advil. The trays will cause a small amount of continuous pressure on your teeth, and that's what causes the movement. That movement can cause soreness, especially in the beginning. It also causes inflammation. We want that inflammation. It creates a small, predictable movement. My next tip that I'm going to give you is to use your munchie. That is a small red triangle rubberized device that we gave you that you're supposed to chew on. That device is to be used 15 minutes a day, and it helps your trays seat down further. The further your trays seat down, the more predictable your movements are going to be and the faster you're going to progress. My pro tip is to make it a part of your daily routine. I personally like to do it when I'm driving to or from school or work, and when you're chewing on that, it's kind of a mindless activity that you can do and get it out of your way and start your day. Tip number 5 is to clean your trays. You are going to clean your trays every time you brush your teeth. I recommend just brushing them with a toothbrush and toothpaste. You don't need to do anything special unless you are a fan of drinking colas and coffees, things that really stain those clear plastic trays. Remember, you change out your trays every 7 to 14 days, so staining is not the biggest issue, but if your trays are starting to yellow, in your welcome packet we have Invisalign cleaning crystals. You can use those to deep clean your trays and remove all stains. You can repurchase those at any big box retailer. My 6th tip regards something that might happen if your doctor prescribes it. We call it light polishing between your teeth, or IPR. Basically, it's just going to happen either at the very beginning or in the middle or not at all during your treatment, and it helps allow closing spaces and aligning all of your teeth so you don't see any black triangles between them. Number 7 is regarding the buttons or attachments that are going to be on your teeth. These are tooth-colored little pieces of composite that line the outside of your teeth. Some people may have some more, some people may have less. It all depends on what your doctor prescribes. Now, if you have any issues with these buttons whatsoever, if they fall off, if they change colors, usually this doesn't happen, but if it does, just give us a call. The way that you take care of them is you just brush them as if they were your normal teeth. You take care of them, and they should not give you any issues whatsoever. Pro tip number 8 is something I'm very excited that we get to offer here at Huckabee Dental. It's called dental monitoring. Now, during your initial intake and when we deliver your trays, we'll go over all of this and give you all of the instructions. But basically, it's something where you scan your teeth every 7 to 14 days, and the doctor provides you weekly feedback on how you're progressing. It's also something we can use so you don't have to come in and see us as often as you would with a normal orthodontic treatment. Number 9 is just a reminder to always bring in your trays to every dental appointment, including your cleanings. Your dentist is always going to want to just kind of step in and take a peek, make sure everything's going well, and then you'll be free to go about your day. And then number 10 is to remember to have fun. This is a life-changing experience that you're going to have a beautiful smile at the end. There is a little bit of discomfort in the beginning, but if you can manage to get through that, you're going to be reminded every day about all of your accomplishments and your achievements by sticking with this program. And congratulations from Huckabee Dental. Remember, we're always just either a message or a phone call away.